Hey, my name is Zay, but most people know me as Dulla Bug, and I did an animal cell cake, and I I used candy and icing, and I used food color, green food color, and I used the candy. I used juicy fruits, Twizzlers, licorice, airheads, and Reese's Sprees, and gummy worms. And my Reese is labeled as my nucleus, and the Spree is labeled as my nucleolus. And my my gummy worms are labeled as my rough ER, and my airheads are labeled as my Goji body. The icing is labeled as my cytoplasm, and the licorice is labeled as my cell membrane, and the juicy fruits are labeled as and my juicy fruit are labeled as mitochondria, and that's it. And goodbye, everyone. Have a nice day.